Have you seen people claiming they're getting paid just for recording everyday activities with their phones? If so, you've probably heard about contracted AI. The platform has gained a lot of attention because it offers paid projects where users help train artificial intelligence by recording videos, voice samples, and other types of real-world data. But is contracted AI actually worth your time in 2026? In this review, I'll explain how it works, what you can expect, and some important things you should know before signing up. Let's get started. First, what is contracted AI? Contracted AI is a data collection platform that connects contributors with AI companies that need real-world training data. Instead of answering surveys, you're typically asked to complete guided tasks such as recording first-person videos, capturing specific activities, providing voice recordings, or completing other AI training projects. One of the biggest advantages is that the platform is available in many countries. After creating an account, you'll complete an onboarding process. If you're accepted, Contracted AI will match you with projects based on your profile, skills, location, and the type of data companies are currently looking for. The tasks can vary significantly. Some projects may ask you to record everyday household activities from a first-person perspective, while others may involve screen recordings, voice data, annotations, or other AI-related tasks. New opportunities appear depending on demand, so the amount of available work can change over time. Now let's talk about payments. Contracted AI states that contributors are paid for approved projects, not simply for signing up. Your recordings or submissions usually need to pass a quality review before payment is issued, so following the instructions carefully is very important. One thing to keep in mind is that work is not guaranteed. Some users receive projects quickly, while others report waiting days or even weeks before receiving their first assignment. The amount you earn depends on the projects available in your region and how many tasks you successfully complete. So, is contracted AI legitimate? Based on the available information, it appears to be a legitimate platform that connects contributors with AI data collection projects. However, like many similar platforms, earnings are inconsistent, project availability varies, and it shouldn't be considered a full-time source of income. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn extra money by completing AI training tasks, contracted AI may be worth trying. Just keep realistic expectations, carefully follow each project's instructions, and remember that your income will depend on the availability of work and the quality of your submissions. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing your experience with contracted AI or any other AI training platform you've used.